Effective techniques to calm a crying baby in minutes. Having a crying baby can be stressful and overwhelming for parents. But don't worry, there are effective techniques to help calm a crying baby in minutes. In this video, we will explore some tried and tested methods to soothe your little one. 1. Check for basic needs. First, check if your baby is hungry, needs a diaper change, or is experiencing discomfort. Addressing these basic needs can often bring immediate relief and stop the crying. 2. Swaddle and hold. Babies love to feel secure and snug. Swaddling is a technique where you wrap your baby gently but firmly in a blanket, mimicking the cozy environment of the womb. This can provide a sense of comfort and help calm them down. Additionally, holding your baby close to your chest so they can hear your heartbeat can also be soothing. 3. Try gentle motion. Many babies find movement calming. You can try rocking your baby gently in your arms or in a rocking chair. You can also carry them in a baby carrier or use a baby swing or bouncer. The rhythmic motion can help soothe them and lull them to sleep. 4. Create white noise. Sometimes babies can be comforted by gentle, repetitive sounds that mimic the noises they heard in the womb. You can try using a white noise machine, a fan, or even play soft music or lullabies. Experiment to find what sounds work best for your baby. 5. Offer a pacifier or thumb. Sucking is a natural soothing mechanism for babies. Offer a pacifier or gently guide your baby's thumb or finger into their mouth. This can provide comfort and help them relax. 6. Provide gentle massage. A gentle massage can be very soothing for babies. Use gentle strokes and touch their arms, legs, back, and tummy. You can use baby lotion or oil to make the massage more enjoyable. This can help relax their muscles and release tension. 7. Try a change of scenery. Sometimes a change of environment can distract and calm a crying baby. Take your little one for a short walk outside, or simply move them to a different room. The change in scenery and sensory input can help redirect their attention and provide relief. 8. Stay calm and maintain eye contact. Babies can sense when their caregivers are anxious or stressed. Stay calm and speak in a soothing tone. Maintain eye contact with your baby to help them feel connected and reassured. Remember, every baby is unique, and it may take some trial and error to find what works best for your little one. If your baby's crying persists or if you have concerns about their health, always consult with a healthcare professional. With these effective techniques, you'll be better equipped to calm your crying baby in minutes. Want to learn more? Visit our website